everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Click the Windows button, and then go to Settings. Now click on the Network and Internet options. After that, go to Ethernet and then Network options. On the IP settings page, click Edit Options, and then click Manual Settings. Now turn on the IPv4 switch. Now you will see two DNS options. You can set two DNS there. Now just save these settings. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.